250 साल पहले अमेरिका को आज ही के दिन बर्तानिया की 13 कॉलोनी से आज़ादी हासिल हुई थी और आज के दिन अमेरिका के एक प्रेसिडेंट थॉमस जेफरसन ने एक दस्तावेज पर साइन किया था जिसे इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ डिक्लेरेशन कहा जाता है।
Celebrate by barbecuing with the family, getting together, having a good time, watching fireworks and stuff together. Yeah.
So, do you celebrate 4th of July?
I do.
So, what do you do on 4th of July?
Well, it's my wife's birthday, so we celebrate her birthday first. But shoot fireworks sometimes. Or back when I was a kid, we shot fireworks. Now just barbecues.
Okay, thank you.
Friends, sometimes pool parties, stuff like that.
Oh, that's good. So, how are you gonna celebrate 4th of July?
I'm gonna celebrate 4th of July with family. We're just gonna get together, cook, eat, and enjoy each other's company.
Oh, that's great.